Good morning guys. Morning pa din pero malapit na mag-lunch. And alis na tayo. This is my OOTD. Makalat na dyan syempre kasi nasa hotel tayo at nagkakalat tayo. So my OOTD is, hindi ko na maalala but yung top ko hindi ko maalala guys. I think Shein to. Parang Shein to guys yung top. And then yung aking skirt. Mukha siyang palda pero short siya guys, is from I Am Gift Sahoy. Favorite ko to guys, lagi nyo ito nakikita ang suot ko, but yan yung ating OOTD. Medyo cool sa labas, so magdadala ako ng jacket and nag-ayos na din ako ng sarili ko and mag-hat ako guys kasi mag-boat daw kami. Ang dami din nakikita nyo din, ang daming tubo ng hair ko, pero mag-hat na lang ako ng ganito. Ayan, ayan. That's our OOTD for today. Diba? Ang cute lang natin. And yeah, magdadala akong jacket kasi in case malamig guys. And kakain tayo sa, magla-lunch daw kami. Tapos mag-boat ng 3 o'clock. So may boating tayo ng 3 o'clock. But ang cute natin today. Mag-picture tayo. Kaso makalat yung room. But that's okay. Dami mong hair. Actually, hindi na. You want flip-flops or you okay with shoes?
Have you got them?
It's in the car, but yeah, it's in very easy access. It's also in the...
Yeah, I'll just wear these down now.
Yeah.
I'll keep going barefoot.
Nakabihis na siya. Alis na tayo guys kasi gutom na tayo.
Anyway, no, they're not lunching by the sounds.
Oh, because they had lunch break, late breakfast.
I don't know. I have no idea. Didn't say. They're just out on the beach. So she told me where they are. So I said we'll pop down and see what you're doing, and then we'll pop back up and have. Now my most vivid memory of coming to Noosa. Hopefully where we were last night.
Okay. Dito na yung jacket ko guys. Bit-bit ko talaga ako ng jacket. But let's go! Kita nila niya. Mag-chinelas lang din siya. Medyo warm naman sa labas, pero hindi totally na warm. But nakaganito na tayo. Ready for air holiday. Ang laki, ang bulky talaga ng aking ano. Try ko lang siya. And then, alis na tayo. Iwan ko lang ito muna sa car. Mamaya ko na ito gagamitin siguro guys. Or daling ko na lang pala just in case. Na malamig. Pabuhat ko sa asawa ko.
Okay.
Okay. Key. Kuha siya ng kanyang chinelas. Just here on the top, yeah. Not there. Not yes. Diba? Organized ng asawa mo, baby. Palit siya. Niloloko ko siya. Ang daming mong buhok sa paaman. Wala naman masyado, guys, para sa...
Fashion coding.
Parehas ng kong.
I can wear one shoe and one...
Yung chinelas at saka sapatos yung same ang kulay. Okay. Nakalimutan ko mag-skincare guys kasi yung skincare ko nakalimutan ko dyan. Actually maganda yung weather, hindi siya malamig. Naka-sleeveless na din naman ako. Pero just in case lumamig, meron tayong jacket. Iwan ko na lang yan dito muna siguro. Kasi magbo-boat tayo mamaya. And baka malamig ba sa boat. Yes, gusto ko sana mag-contacts guys kaso ang sakit sa mata. Huwag na lang. Gusto ko sana makakita ng maayos ba nang wala tong glasses na to. Kaso, ang hirap guys maglagay ng ng contacts. Hindi nga ako nag-mascara kasi ang dry ng side ng eyes ko. So, okay na yan. Mag-shades na lang tayo. Magtanggal na lang tayo ng Kaso, yun nga, pag nag-shades ako, hindi naman ako nakakakita. Bulag man ako. Pretentious ba? But, we'll see guys. Magganito na lang muna ako. Tapos magpalit na lang ako mamaya. But, dumaan lang si Tony dun sa reception kasi sinabi niya yung shower ng pangbukas. Pag binuksan yung shower, nahuhulog yung grip, yung niya. yung knob, and masakit daw sa paa pag nahulog. Ayan na siya. Ay, wala pa. Gugutom na din ako. Let's go. So, punta tayo sa beach. Nandun pa daw yung anak niya sa beach. Ano guys, gusto ko mag-vlog. Gusto ko silang pakita sa inyo. Kasi okay naman sila guys. Okay naman sila. Hindi sila, as in sanay sila sa akin. Tapos alam din nila nag-vlog ako. So, wala silang problema. Minsan nga inagaw nila yung camera. Kaso guys, nahiya ako mag-vlog. At saka since nung lumipat ako ng abroad guys, parang naging aware ako sa mga sa mga tao ba yung dito kasi guys, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta nag-invade ng kanilang privacy. Pero like I said, okay na okay mag-vlog kasama yung anak nito guys. Kasi siya, sobrang cool niya lang. Kaso nga, nahiya ako mag-vlog. Wala talaga ako guys, yung camera ko hindi talaga siya gumagana. So, phone na lang talaga yung gagamitin natin pang vlog ngayon muna. We'll see guys. Pero matagal naman kasi yung camera na yun. So, kailangan na din naman palitan. Okay. Ready. Gutom na din siya guys. Nagutom na. We'll see guys. Mamaya naman. Kasi kailangan ko palang save din yung battery ito.
4 Pines Brewing.
Kasi buong araw tayo nitong nasa labas. And ito lang yung gamit ko. Yung camera. Let's go. This is the new sign. Daytime guys. Ang daming tao. As in, parang siyang, how am I going to compare it? Para din Boracay. Babe, ang busy din. Ang sobrang busy. Kita nyo ba guys ang mga tao dito? Tapos ang dami din kainan. Nasaan ba yung beach? Ay, pupunta naman tayo dun para makita natin yung beach. It's so busy.
School holidays. It's the worst thing. It's terrible planning.
Ang daming tao, sis. Where's she going, babe?
Yes. Not a pedestrian crossing, but...
Tignan nyo, diba? Ang dami-daming tao. Traffic.
Yeah, we're not going to get a park in a month or some days. Look at that. We're not even going to be able to come back because we're not going to sit on that. Oh dear, we should have walked.
Yeah, we should have walked. Naglakad na lang para sana kami. Kasi maganda naman yung weather.
The lights on that car, but
no? Diba? Ang busy. Diyan sila guys nakastay. Magstay sana kami dyan. Mahal naman. Usually, tambay lang naman kami. Tatambayan lang namin sila. So, kumuha na lang kami ng malapit lang din dito. Pwede lang din nakarin. But let's go sa beach. Medyo mainit. Para maglalakad tayo. Correct?
I think the thing we're hiring.
Where's that? Is that the thing we're hiring?
Yeah.
Mag-boating kami dito mamaya, guys. Or that one there. Dito kami mag-boat mamaya. Pero ang ganda naman. Kasi calm. Okay. Or that one.
Fine. Find the beach.
Find the beach. Beach in the other side.
It's got to be over there. It's not on that side.
Oh, you're not a tourist. You've been here many times.
I'm not in here many times. God, I'm not well.
Hindi pala to beach, yes. Pero dito tayo sasakay mamaya. Doon, mga ganyan.
See, we're in this river bit. It's actually, there's the beach over there.
Okay, on that side then. Mali tayo yung pinuntahan. Pero punta din tayo dito mamaya. Alas 3 pa ata yun. Yeah, alas 3 pa. Are you sure you're a pilot? You're supposed to be good at direction. Nasaan na tayo, babe? Beach, tayo, hunt. Nawala yung beach. Giatay na talaga to. Uy, nasaan na tayo?
The beach is going to be just over there.
Andun sila sa kabila. Tapos ang layo na nilakad namin dun. Pero ang ganda. Niloloko ko si Tony. Sabi ko, dito ka na lang, babe. Oh. Ang dami mo nakikita dito. Ayun o, may daanan. Doon sa layo namin. Kung saan kami punta.
How do you know? Little shop open upstairs.
Anak ni Tony. Ito yung anak ni Tony.
Don't do that. I guess you haven't got me yet.
Yes. Ako yung huli.
We only bought drinking ice because it's an hour and a half. We can only drink so much, but you'll be surprised how much. Hey, Al.
You'll be surprised how much. This guy's through.
Who's dodging us?
Yeah, he's off. What's going on this side? Oh, I can see the colours now.
There must be some crazy people driving though.
Yes, it must
Oh,
be.
no. Nice and bright. Garden.
What, the sandy stuff?
Yeah, sandstone. You can get some most spectacular sky.
It's been on charting. Right down White Island.
I
Yes.
didn't know it was that.
Yeah, same right. Grumpy.
Yeah, real grumpy, isn't it? Yeah, there's going to be a fight.
Pelican fight. Yeah. Good man. Don't see that every day.
What time, guys? What time is it, babe? You had to watch.
10:20. No. 10:19.
10:19, gutom na ang mga person, guys. Nag-order kami ng Uber Eats. Nauna yung dalawa. But, ito naghihintay ng pagkain. Yung dalawa pumasok na dun sa loob. But hintay kami Uber Eats. Alam nyo ba yung in-order namin McDo na lang? Time check is 10 o'clock. It's very quiet at 10 o'clock. I cannot imagine.
It's just like...
The ghost town suddenly.
It is totally... I mean, utterly...
Nakita niyo naman kaninang umaga how crowded was it?
We could play cricket or golf on the main street.
I know, but it was so crazy this morning, this afternoon. And then it's suddenly quiet. That's Australia, look.
Well, I think everyone goes on holiday during the day and they're completely exhausted by dinner time. They eat food, have a couple of drinks, and they go, well, good night, I'm off to bed.
Ang quiet. At least Adelaide, maingay pa at saka busy pa yung mga people. This time dito, ang ingay. I did not expect it. I thought it's gonna be like crazy and still noisy this hour of time.
So did I, absolutely.
But my goodness, and we went out. What time is it? 9:30. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Just like to walk to find some food.
I think it was more like closer to 10 o'clock.
It was
9:40
something, and wala nang open. Oh my God! Welcome to Australia.
Nothing is open except McDonald's.
Usually this will be still open in Adelaide.
It would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially here. But then, look, there's no people anyway, so there's
So
no point
easy.
opening.
So easy to make $1 million there because you only got to work in the daylight.
I know,
As
right?
soon as it's dark, you can go home and take your $10,000
Like,
with
it's
you.
just so quiet. It's so, I'll show you guys in the other, yung sa kabilang side ng camera.
14 minutes. I mean, I don't know where Macca's is, but...
And Noseville?
Who? Noosaville?
Noseville.
Where the hell's that?
Yeah, it's other side.
Oh.
Kaya nga, diba, busy dala.
No worries.
Ang
It's
ganda
very,
actually ng...
very pleasant.
Ang ganda actually ng camera ko sa gabi, guys. Oh. Magpa-picture nga ako ito ni.
Empty.
Oh my goodness, we're lost. No, we're
No,
not.
we're on the
We're back
right.
now.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah. We're just overshot.
Overshot. Bumili din kami ng tea and Tim Tams.
Chocolate.
Chocolate sa may 7-Eleven. They have 7-Eleven here, guys. Walang 7-Eleven sa Adelaide. 24 hours na supermarket. But andun kami, kanina pa kami nasa labas, sis. Oh my goodness, 12 hours kami pala nasa labas. But nako, ang saya-saya nila. Hindi ko na vlog, guys. Pero grabe, ang tawa nila. My God, masakit na yung chan ko kakatawa. And kakaamoy ng ano. I said my belly is hurting from laughing at the same time from smelling.
Yes, I'm with you.
Let's blame
Big Al.
Big Al. You need to
Close.
okay. You want me to swipe?
I should just do it out the window.
Okay. But pauwi na tayo, guys, and mag-dessert si Tony. May biscuit naman ako and then mag-hot chocolate siguro ako. Kasi, is that Mustang going or is just what?
I think it must belong to someone that lives here, works here. Or something.
I thought the lights is on.
No, it's just there. Headless there. Turn these off.
Okay. Akala ko alis yung Mustang. Pero may sarili siyang, it has a its own car park. Pero, ay, yung ano ko din pala, wag kong kalimutan yung skincare. Nasa likod ng, nasa suitcase. We're doing a park, baby, over there?
No, not a bad.
This one here?
That's too tricky.
Yun.
I'm just going to be very careful about where I park. I'll put
Okay.
it in this one, but
The one that next to it, it's,
well, it's the same as this one, so there's no difference.
okay. What's that?
I have no idea actually.
Ano yan? Can you guys hear it? That's a lot of noise.
The easiest car park to get into this one.
That one here, no? Here? Where's your beeper gone?
No beepers working, which is a bit annoying.
Is that, what's that one? Nothing? Oh no. We don't know where it is. Are we okay?
Fuck, I don't know what that is.
No.
It turned into an electric car. I turned the whole thing down.
No. It's back here. Back, okay. No, that's it. We don't know, guys. Ano ba tong car na to? Oh my gosh.
That's in gear, that won't help.
Wala. Ayaw umandar ng beeper. Okay. That's alright now, baby. Walang beeper nga.
I'll straighten the car.
I will do. That's alright. Kunin ko yung skincare ko dun sa may ano. Sa may...
That's all very weird.
That's weird. And
And now it started itself up.
why?
I have no idea. No idea. I want a cup of tea and a Tim Tam.
Yeah, me too. Hot chocolate.
Key. For the car. Key for the unit. Phone. Biscuit. Wife. That's going.
Kailangan kong kunin yung skincare ko dun sa likod.
Just wash your doors.
Yeah. Let's go, guys. Bukas, may gagawin kasi si Claire at saka yung partner niya. So, hindi kami maagang aalis. Baby, can I open the back? The boot. I'm just gonna get my skincare that I forgot.
You need something?
Yeah. It will be here. But I have no hands. I have your tea.
Okay. Just give me a tea.
It's just here, babe. It's just my facial skincare. It's in this. Hey, okay. Oh, they're everywhere. They're running away. Okay. Yung aking solwasu. Yes. Yung solwasu ko tumakbo na. Sabi yung camera ko full na. Pero madami naman akong memory. Uy, 2 terabytes. But let's go na sa ating kwarto. Wait, okay. Hindi niya lang siguro pwedeng mag...
I don't know if it's the Visa card or the key.
You got it. 2 of it. Somewhere.
Oh, shit, that's my Visa card. Hang about.
Where's the key? Nawala pa yung key.
Car key? No, I don't think I've got it. Oh, I say it.
Yeah?
There we go.
Okay. Bye.
Come.
Ayaw mag-close. Let's go.